Alrighty, hello folks. I thought I would take some time today and just share with everybody the things I've been studying for Forex and helping me to improve. Um, there's that saying, "Those that can't do teach." Well, I make huge gains in Forex and then I kind of lose them because I get a little excited. So I think I need to spend a little more time and study. But for those novices out there, um, I can help you get started. At least do that, because that's what happened to me, is that I had to do a lot of study, and there's a lot of services out there and a lot of things you can pay for, and trade signals that you can get and all that kind of stuff. That stuff is fine and dandy, I guess. I don't use them. Maybe I should, but I don't use them. I figure if I can figure it out on my own, sooner or later, I'll be independently wealthy, and I'll be pretty good at this stuff. So I want to give you kind of an idea where I started. I actually bought a book, and I think everyone knows this book, William O'Neill, How to Make Money in Stocks. This actually started my venture into Forex, because I started getting into stocks, and I'll put that back up there so you can see it, How to Make Money in Stocks. This is the newest edition, I think. And it's a fantastic book. Gets you started, gets you some basic understanding, especially about charts, because charting in the stock market and Forex are quite similar when dealing with moving averages and other indicators. So that got me started, and then I started just buying everything that I could. I bought this book while I was in Florida. It's called Getting Started in Currency Trading by Michael Dwayne Archer. It's a pretty good book. A lot of basic stuff. What I found was, with currency trading material, there's a lot of basic stuff. And I guess if you're going to be successful in Forex, you got to get the basics down. Understanding charting, understanding indicators and moving averages, understanding how the news affects the market. So I got another book, Getting Started in Technical Analysis by Jack Schwager. I think that's how you pronounce his name. And this is a pretty good book, but to be honest with you, it's boring as anything. Kind of puts me to sleep, but it's good information, and I kind of fight my way through it, and it helps. Although it is boring, I'd rather read a Vince Flynn book than this, but I got to learn my stuff. And so it covers candlesticks, it covers all kinds of stuff. Learn the charting makes life much easier. So I have those. Some other books to mention. I got the one book which is more inspiring than anything is the Jesse Livermore book. I think it's called The Reminiscence of a Stock Operator. Now, although it has to do with stocks and all that kind of stuff, and Jesse Livermore, it's a sort of an inspirational book on sort of his philosophies and his disciplines and in his trading. So that was a real inspirational book. So you can learn all you want to learn about the technical end of Forex and trading, but the discipline side and the behavioral side of it, I kind of like to read people's personal testimonies to really get an understanding. Now, the book Beyond All Books that I've used and that's been helpful, I started buying books on my iPad now, is Day Trading and Swing Trading, the Currency Market by Kathy Lean. I don't know if you can see that. I'll put that up there. That's not the book cover, that's the inside cover. The book cover is kind of cool. But this one, Day Trading and Swing Trading, the Currency Market by Kathy Lean, is a fantastic book. I've read it 4 or 5 times. I've actually taken notes on it. I actually created my own cheat sheet of news and how many pips a particular currency will move at a particular news event, which currencies move the most at particular times of the day, all kinds of information that I glean from it, and I keep reading it. So that's the book I suggest that you read. Another book that really has to do with day trading and stock trading is called A Beginner's Guide to Day Trading Online. Now, that's an interesting book. Gives you some ideas. There's nothing more encouraging than hearing the story of some person that wakes up when they want to wake up, trades, and then is able to go do what they want to do. And I guess that's the aim for all Forex folks, is you want to be able to trade X amount of hours per week and then go enjoy yourself. Be independently wealthy and just enjoy life a little easier instead of being part of the 9 to 5 and having a boss and all that kind of stuff. Because I would prefer to be my own boss, and this is the way to do it. So these are some of the materials that I've used. These are some of the materials that have really helped me to gain an understanding, and maybe I'll share a little more of the other materials. There's a lot of it. But these are the starter stuff, get the books, read them on your own, see what you think, give me comments. And actually, if you have other books that I don't know about, please shoot them over to me. I love referrals and I love reading about it, so I don't always get the best stuff. So, all right, thanks, and good luck trading.